This is on the sidewalk. The water is coming up from the ocean. I am standing in the street on Beaver. Let's take a look at this, guys. This is Beaver Street. In front of all the stores. Half price. Let's take a look.
I was walking around. You keep looking at that goddamn water over there. I walked around to check and I'm like, what is that? That's not okay.
Wow. Unbelievable. This is Beaver Street. This is my building, guys. Beaver. Unbelievable. Look at this. This is the water that came from the ocean. Unbelievable. And it's steadily rising. Wow. Unbelievable. This is Beaver and Broad. Unbelievable, boy. Getting out of here because it's like dangerous. Unbelievable. It's right. Look at that. It's just rising. Because while I was standing over there, everything was fine.
Like 10 minutes last and it's already.
Whoa. 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 Oh my Lord. Never, ever have I ever been through anything like this. Look at this. This is scary, spooky. Oh my God. Oh my Lord. Running for my life, taking cover.
Backing up here?
Yeah.
She's backing up rapidly though.
Oh
That is it, son.
my Lord.
Backing up fast though.
Oh my Lord, man.
What?
Claudio, won't you come take a walk with me?